there, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. In some of the past videos, especially that involved the rinseless wash process, I mentioned how I use Optimum Power Clean, both as a pre-treat and throughout the rest of the process. I'll showcase this in a video of its own today right here. It's been around for quite some time. It's popular. There are many more uses for this. It's very effective at just about anything from the wash process to engine compartments to wheels, wheel wells, undercarriage, interiors, leather, and so much more. So let's head out into the shop. I'll show you some of the dilution ratios I use this for in my environment and its effectiveness. Let's get going. Optimum Power Clean, a powerful all-purpose cleaner that can be used on all surfaces of your vehicle, car, truck, boat, motorcycle, RV, SUV. It can be used on all surfaces except for glass. Although powerful to attack the toughest dirt, grease, and grime, it is safe for the environment and safe for us, the user. 17 fluid ounces for $11.99. So the price is no issue whatsoever. Actually a great price, because you're not going to use it full strength on many surfaces. I'm going to show you an example of some. Right here we have plastic trim that has years of traffic film buildup, so I'll use it full strength here. I'll also use it full strength on wheels, tires, and wheel arches. And I'm going to do a dedicated video for how I clean wheels and tires and wheel arches using a hybrid sort of rinseless, waterless system. I'll put out a dedicated video on that. I know some of you guys were asking that in emails and down in the comments section. This is just a quick example using one brush. I have many different brushes. I'll go through all the tools and methods I'll use when it comes to different types of wheels, shapes, and sizes. As I run through some of the examples of where I use it full strength, I also want to add, and I really do realize for some reason on YouTube and similar platforms, it's really kind of taboo to show respect towards other detailers and channels, but I really think when it comes to the company Optimum and what they put out, I think their biggest asset is really Ivan LaCroix. If you have a chance, and I know he teaches courses there and does certification, and is really kind of the face of the company over there. If you get a chance to pick his brain, guys, do it, absorb it, and I'm telling you, it's well worth it. I have a ton of respect for the guy. If I could give a tip of the hat or raise the glass to clink it and sink it, it would definitely be towards or to Ivan LaCroix. Cheers. So also in the engine compartment, full strength. Sometimes I'll cut it 3-to-1 if it's really not that bad, but around the master cylinder and the reservoir, it's really greasy and dirty, and it's really bad under here, so I'll use it full strength. I'll just spray it on. I'll grab my detail brush, I have many of those, agitate it a bit, and wipe it off. Really quite simple. This old brush here I'll pull out when I'm working on older, real greasy vehicles when it comes to the engine compartment. I do have many. I have some with the protected bristles that have plastic and rubber in case you bump up against something you really don't want to nick or scratch. You're working on a high-class luxury car. You definitely want to watch what you do under there. So from there, if you have your more sensitive areas protected, you could rinse with the Kraus & Becker or the HydroShot Works. I'll just simply wipe up the dirt that it has lifted and emulsified with a microfiber towel, and we'll be done with it. Once again, this is a heavily soiled engine bay. If you have something that's lightly soiled, 3-to-1 or even 5-to-1 would be effective. And here you can see the drastic change that the cleaner makes with hardly any effort whatsoever, really. So we're going to start to cut it 3-to-1, and I'll show you the areas where I could use it cut 3-to-1. And that's going to be on painted surfaces. This truck here has many miles of road film that has been bonded to it, so we have a little square sectioned off, a little test area. And we're going to put it on there 3 to 1. I'll let it sit there for a few minutes, and then I'll bring you guys in. You'll be able to see the dirt, or I mean the traffic film, that is being emulsified, lifted, and is being run down the panel. I'm going to simply wipe it off with a microfiber, remove the tape so you can see the drastic change and the naked clear coat that it leaves behind. The two reasons that I really lean towards the Power Clean here and also CarPro Multi-X for purposes such as this is the lack of residue left behind. Really cuts down on work, and if it accidentally runs down on plastic areas, more sensitive areas anyway, you don't have to worry about staining or discoloration. Not only can you see how clean it is now inside the test area, you can see where the overspray reached outside the boundaries of the tape, and I didn't even wipe it, and that's clean as well. Again, that is the dilution ratio of 3 to 1, and it is perfect for a pre-treat for a contact wash or a waterless or rinseless wash, and I'll show you the different ways that it can be applied that way. Straight out of a 32-ounce spray bottle. There are a couple of ways to foam it, and one way is using the IK Foam 9 foamer, such as this. Now, I'll normally pre-treat from the door handles down, from that character line down. If a car hasn't been washed or cleaned in a long time, I'll do the whole thing. Another way is the pressurized air system right here. I learned this system here from an old body shop guy, but I hear from a lot of sources it's the Gary Dean method, so I like to give credit where credit's due. You can also apply it using the air foamer, such as this one right here. This is a Brios Garage air foamer. However you get it there, not important to me as long as you use it as a pre-treat, very effective. And from there, go ahead and do either your contact wash or your rinseless or waterless wash method. I also have a ½ ounce mixed in the bucket with ONR, and that helps bump up the strength of that formula as well. Moving right along, I also use it diluted 5 to 1 or 10 to 1. This here is 5 to 1. That's what that looks like if your 32-ounce spray bottle doesn't have a mark to it. And I'll use that for leather, some of your more delicate materials, interior, cloth, seats, floor mats, headliner. So I have an old leather seat here. It's been sitting for quite some time. You can either spray it right onto the microfiber towel or right onto the surface, let it sit for a little bit, and simply wipe it off. There are many tools to clean leather, but with this solution here, I'll just spray it on, wipe it off, and you'll see how clean it gets. This is an old seat that I repaired out of a classic Jaguar. I'll clean it up, then I can send it back. Now, when it comes to cloth, you could spray directly into it. You could use a foamer. There are many ways to get it onto the seat itself. Once it's there, you could scrub it with a brush. You could just use a microfiber, as shown here, and it will be very, very effective. Plastic, vinyl, any material that's used on door jambs, door panels, center consoles, the dash. At that dilution ratio, it's very effective. You could spray it on, wipe it off. Now, depending what's down there in those pockets, it could be bubble gum, lollipops, candy. You may need to use it full strength to break that stuff down, but when it comes to headliners, 5 to 1, 10 to 1, depending on how soiled they are. If it is a smoker, 5 to 1 is very effective with odor as well. Encapsulates it so you can remove it. Just spray it onto a microfiber and buff that stuff off of there. For the final thought segment of the video, the Optimum Power Clean is very effective throughout the detail process. I just showed you a small example of what it can do. At the right dilution, very effective. Presently, it's this here and CarPro's Multi-X that I have diluted many ways in 32-ounce bottles, ready to grab, and it's these two that I am using presently and really enjoy. They are effective for me here in my environment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.